Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and if it's your first time here, you are so welcome. Today I'm sharing my potatoes recipe with you all, and this was one of my favorite while I was growing up in the village with my grandma. This is my grandma's recipe. Yeah, we used to eat this a lot. You know, I come from Bamenda, Cameroon, and over there we grow a lot of potatoes. Like, I have lots and lots of memories how we used to cook and eat this together. It was just so amazing. And yeah, today I'm going to be sharing with you guys how we used to do it, and trust me, you are going to love it because the recipe is just so amazing. Who doesn't like potatoes? Because I love potatoes a lot. It's sad that it's quite expensive over here, but yeah, potatoes are my favorite, and I'm going to show you guys how we used to do it back then in the village in Cameroon. So I'll quickly run you guys through the ingredients we need for this recipe. Of course, we need potatoes, like this is the star of the show, and of course cabbage as well. Like, it brings everything together. We need some hot pepper, and of course we need some bell pepper as well, tomatoes, very fresh tomatoes, and to complement the recipe, I'm going to add in some petit pois or peas, and yeah, of course we need some ginger, garlic and onion. You all know how we do it, and the spices and everything. And we are going to cook this with some red meat mixed with bones. So to marinate the meat, we have to add in some ginger and garlic and some onion. So I've noticed that not everybody usually add the ginger, the garlic and the onion, you know, while boiling the meat. A lot of people don't marinate it. They'll just add like the maggi and salt and some onion, and that's it. But personally, I used to do that before, but after moving to Togo and trying the Togolese way of marinating their meat, I think I like this method better. Yeah, because why not? So to marinate the meat, I'm just going to add part of the blended spices, some salt and maggi cubes. We are going to do this. So for the meat, I'm using a pressure pot because I want it to cook as fast as possible. Yeah, so let's give this about 30 to 40 minutes and it'll be ready. So while our meat is boiling, let's go ahead and peel some potatoes. These potatoes are imported because they don't grow here in Togo. Usually they import it from Nigeria and I don't know, other countries, Burkina Faso, but I can't understand why they can't grow potatoes in Togo. Yeah, so let's go ahead and quickly peel our potatoes. Right now, I'll just go ahead and cut the potatoes into my desired sizes. Yeah, because they are quite huge. Like this. So right now I'm going to nicely cut all the vegetables. So I'm almost done with cutting my veggies. I went ahead and prepared everything at once. If you notice, I'm cutting them separately, so because I'm not going to fry them at once. So I added the tomatoes, and I'll add in some concentrated tomato stew as well. This is optional. Red pepper as well. That's the boiled meat. Time to add in our potatoes. I hope my pot will be enough because it's looking small and I have a lot of potatoes to add in. Okay. Now I'll go ahead and add in the cabbage as well. We are going to cook this on low heat for about 30 minutes. Yeah. So after cooking this for a while, I'll go ahead and add in the paste, petit pois, and our meal is almost ready. If you're enjoying the video so far, please like, comment and share because it helps, guys. Please, I am begging, please like, comment and share. And don't forget to subscribe as well because yeah, it keeps me going. So now our food is ready and I'll go ahead and give it a try. It's looking so delicious. What do you all think about my recipe? I hope you all liked it. Check this goodness out. And I'm going to serve myself some of the meat. Go ahead and give it a try. So our food is ready. and it's looking so yummy. Oh my goodness. You guys, you are all invited. This is what a bite looks like. Wow. So delicious. It's so yummy. Oh my goodness. Mm. I'm going to press some of the pepper. This recipe is so good. You all try it and thank me later. Like, you will love it. I used to be filled with excitement each time my grandma would be like, we are preparing this. Good old days. May our gentle soul rest in peace. This is so good. Wow. And if you don't have Irish potatoes, you can use yams or cocoyams or plantains, and you can do the same thing and it will turn out very nice. And what else? No, you can use cassava. Some people do, but I don't really like it with cassava. And yeah, there are a lot of tubers that you can use and achieve something like this, and it's so yummy, like what I'm eating right now. My daughter likes this a lot, so I usually make it for her. It's really, really delicious. And yeah, when you are eating this, you can feel the sweetness of the cabbage and the tomatoes. Like, it's just amazing. Now, this is what our meat is looking like. Let me go ahead and give it a try. So soft. It's just the perfect consistency. I don't like it too soft and maybe strong, but a little bit chewy. Yummy. This is so good. Yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please make sure you like, comment, you share, and you subscribe, because it helps the channel, guys. We have to keep the channel going, so please make sure you like, you comment, you share, and you subscribe. So far, I'm enjoying my food, and you all are invited. Thank you guys so much for watching, and until next time, bye.